Yes, guys, what's going on then? It's your boy NJ. Welcome to the NJ Show, the home of all your reaction videos. This is the place to be for all of your entertainment needs. Reacting every day of the week for who? Killer, who am I reacting for? That's right, for you. Come on then, step on through. Hit it up in the description box below and up high in the sky. We got all the social medias covered right here today for you. Yes, we have indeed. So go give it a follow. Go say hello. Right, they're back. This is the band Ateez. Need I say anything else? Like, this group is incredible. I've not heard this song though, so first time reaction on this. This is the song The Black Cat Nero Halloween performance video. You know what I'm gonna say. This could go off right. Expect the unexpected. You never know, man. This might be your last reaction video, so fuck it. Like the video, subscribe, all the good stuff. You want more content like this? That's all you gotta do. Hit it up. Right, let's do it. Let the countdown commence on 3, 2, 1. Let's.
그대는 귀여운 나의 검은 고양이 새빨간 리본이 멋지게 어울려.
Oh, it's got that bouncy feel to it. I'm feeling that Nightmare on Elm Street. It's got that Halloween jumpy, jittery, creepy vibe to it. I'm digging it. And then obviously the black cat. What?
Ateez. Nothing out here.
Mate, am I hearing metal right now from a K-pop band? What the hell? Jesus Christ, the Black Cat Nero. just that title alone, I'm already like, who the hell is that? What's this all about? And I haven't even heard the song. Now I have. My God, thank God I have. This is out the gate. Ain't messing around with this one. Right, let's find out. I'm loving the red. Mate. This is rocking. Jesus Christ. Whoa. They ain't messing around today, guys. Whoa. Expect the unexpected. Sounds like me.
멋쟁이 그대가 서뿐히 걸어가면 무서운 고양이 뒤따라와요. 달콤한
This is metal. That's what they're saying.
Let me hear the voice hitting up to you, Tini. Put them up, your hands, do you ready? Are you guys all ready? Say it now. It's time to sing it together. Say 1, 2, let's go.
Epic. Whoa, what's gonna happen here? Thriller. Gotta be done. Ridiculous. This is belting. What I'm hearing through my headphones is outstanding. Come on. Ooh. Ow, 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 ow! Sick. God damn it. Ateez, everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. There you have it. The Black Cat Nero. Jesus Christ. What a show. That's what I'm talking about, man. Love a bit. When you combine that with like metal and K-pop at the same time. Done. It's like, it's over. Jesus Christ, that was good. And massive shout out to the behind the scenes lot. Yeah, we see these bands, we see the music, but it doesn't happen unless you've got great production behind you. And like every one of these K-pop videos I've seen, every one, the music videos have been like, what? Been so professional. Like literally the cutting edge of video making. It's beautiful to see, and I hope it continues. I know it will, because whoever's doing it, I wish they like would throw in the credits who these people are, because I have no idea. You know why? I feel like these guys, these video directors, they should be like, you should be able to name who they are, because they do such a great job. Like no different to like a movie, where you know the actors, whether it directors, whether it be Spielberg, Scorsese, like. I wish there was like, you could know, oh, that's such and such's work. Because everyone is absolutely insane. Just like the lighting, the effects, all of it. The editing, everything is like nothing I've seen before. So, super special. Right, let's head on out of here. It ain't going to get much better than that, guys. I'm telling you that. That was Ateez performing the song, The Black Cat Nero, Halloween performance video. Insane. Need I say any more? Let's just head out of here. Let's get straight into the next reaction. I'm super excited. Guys, request in the comments below what you want me to react to next. And I'll get right on it, I promise you. I'll go through all the comments. And while you're at it, why not? Like the video, subscribe. Just lets me know that you want more content like this on the show, and I'll deliver them goods, no doubt about it. Right, let's do it then. You know who I am. I'm your boy NJ. You've been on the NJ show, and you know what time it is. It's time to go, but we will see you very soon in the next reaction video. Gonna go off. Don't miss it. We'll see you later.